What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle. Yes, it's the best money and credit channel on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. Yeah, free, F-R-E-E. That means you ain't pay for it. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. We're talking this one right here, King Hussle. King Hussle X1L, no rags, just riches. King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle Family, turn motivation into means. Dog Pound Exotic Pups, Goosebumps Horror Stories, Sleeping with the Rain, King Hussle 2.0, Milwaukee Made King Hussle, and King Hussle Live. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right, got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there, so please get a FaceTime verification call or a video. Make sure you see this face. Make sure you are doing legit business and you are getting what you pay for, right? Before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. What it do, my real King Hussle fans, supporters, and subscribers out there, my real Hussle Nation Empire family members, and we are back at it again with the gems, back at it again with the sauce. I'm back at it again with the information that's going to turn you into a boss. So you're trying to be in a zero, you ready to be a family hero. Listen up, take a seat, get your pen, get your notepad, let's get to these gems, because I promise you, I'm about to give y'all some information that's going to help you win, all right? Some sauce is going to turn you into a boss, all that, all right? So, it's a lot of self-employed or 1099 workers out there. It's a lot of people out there that's trying to figure out how to start funding their businesses. It's a lot of people out there trying to figure out how they can get loans, credit cards, and lines of credit. It's a lot of people out there trying to figure out what's the science to getting these loans, credit cards, and lines of credit, and what people are doing to be able to get them. It's a lot of people just trying to figure out the credit game in general. So in today's video, I'm going to drop gems on what loans, trade lines that you need, how to build your personal credit and establish your business credit. And I'm going to give y'all a place where you can get a $5,000 loan for your business. All right, so with that being said, let's get to work. So a lot of people want to know, where can they get them a quick $5,000 for their business? How can they get a loan? How can they get a credit card? How can they get a line of credit? What are people doing? So when it comes to getting loans, credit cards, and lines of credit, you got to understand this. A lot of people don't understand the difference between business credit and personal credit. Personal credit, everything on that personal credit is for emergency purposes only. Everything on the business side is for you to spend some money and make some money back with that money that they gave you. So with that being said, a lot of people don't understand how a credit profile is set up and structured. So a credit profile is structured and set up in a way so that they can see how well you manage your money. What's up? You want some? You want some?
No.
All right. All right. So they want to see how well you've been managing money throughout your year since you've been 18. So when you turn 18, that's when your credit starts. Now, some people, when they turn 18, they might go to school. Some people might get a car. Some people do a lot of different things. So a lot of people, everybody has a different credit profile and a different credit structure. Now, your profile shows how good you've been managing this money since you've been 18. Now, some people who went to school got student loans for $50,000, $60,000. Some people who just got a car and went to school probably got $20,000, $30,000 loan, or they probably even paid it off. Now, people got to understand this. When you pay off a loan, that loan is now gone. So now you got to add more loans. You got to add more trade lines. And that's the problem when it comes to getting loans, credit cards, and lines of credit. A lot of people might get these auto loans and when they're 18 and pay off by the time they turn 25, 30 and feel like, all right, I got good credit, I can do what I want to do. No, you got to keep the debt reporting on your credit report. And also, a lot of people get these cars and they pay them off on their personal credit, and it impacts their credit report negatively. And a lot of people don't understand that either. So you got to understand, keeping debt and managing debt is how you get loans, credit cards, and lines of credit. So that's what trade lines are. Now, you got credit builder trade lines and you got primary trade lines. Now, primary trade lines are trade lines or accounts that are primarily in your name. So once again, from student loans, auto loans, mortgage loans, payday loans, credit cards, etc., etc. Then you got credit builder loans that are basically you're saving money. So every month you pay so let's say you get you a $10,000 credit builder loan. Each month you're gonna pay towards the $10,000, and once you pay $10,000 off, you will be able to get that $10,000 back, and it'll report to your credit report as a trade line, installment loan. Banks, lenders, and groups want to see more primary trade lines than regular trade lines because they want to see primary trade lines matter more than credit builder trade lines. If you miss a payment on them primaries, it's going to impact your credit score negatively. if you miss a payment on those credit builder trade lines, it's not going to impact your score at all. So they understand the impact on the primaries, and they want to see more primaries because they want to see how good you are with managing money. So people have debt, all right? Everybody got a different debt. Everybody got a different amount of number. You got 3 FICOs or 3 credit bureaus: TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Each one reports different debts, but it's all generated and calculated into one solid number, which is your overall debt. It might be 50,000, 60,000, 30,000, 40,000, 100,000, 200,000. Just different situations for different folks. Different strokes, different folks. So, you need 5 primary trade lines on your credit report. You need a line of credit, revolving, installment, auto, and mortgage, or rental history that backdated 2 years, 2.5 years. As long as you got those, you're good. So, you also need at least 2 credit cards. Secured and AU accounts are perfect. So get you a secured card, go get your Open Sky and put like $500 to $1,000 on it. Go to Trade Line Supply and get you an AU account. They got credit card accounts from $1,000 to $100,000. You won't physically get the card, but it'll report to your credit report as if you do have the card and you're making payments on time each month. So dig on your 2 credit cards. Unique primary trade lines has all 5 primary trade lines that you need in package deals, and you also can buy them separately. CreditStrong.com has trade lines. Self-Ava Kickoff trade lines report as primary trade lines. Insight Credit Union has $5,000 trade line. Bank of America has a credit builder trade line. Credit Ninja has a $5,000 loan. All type of stuff like that. So y'all just gotta make sure y'all tapping in and just paying attention to these credit builder trade lines, because these was what's going to help you on your credit profile be able to get the loans, credit cards, lines of credit, because it's adding debt to your credit report and it's adding positive debt as if you're paying it off on time each month. So pay attention to these trade lines. So there's 2 ways to start getting business funding. You can start getting business funding by building your business credit up from the ground up by itself, or you can just leverage your personal credit towards your business. Now, most people who leverage their personal credit towards their business credit are people who already have good credit. If you don't have good credit, most people just build their business from credit up from the ground up. So when they build their business credit from the ground up, they get net 30s. But first of all, they get their LLCs, their EIN numbers. Once they get their LLCs and EIN numbers, then what they do is they go get the business bank account. Now, we all know that credit unions and smaller banks are the banks that we want to start opening up these business bank accounts with. So what you want to do is you want to open up that bank account. Once you open up that bank account, you want to go get you a Dun & Bradstreet. Once you go to get Dun & Bradstreet, you want to start adding business trade lines. Now, net 30s are business trade lines and trade lines that you got 30 days to pay off. And the faster you pay it off, the faster and the better it is towards your paydex score. So Uline, Granger, Quail, is many places that offer net 30s. There's net 30s, 60s, and 90s. But net 30s is the best because you want to hurry up and build your paydex score. So once you build that paydex score, once you got those net 30s, once you got the NAV credit builder account, that's another trade line for your business, then you're in good standing to start getting major funding for your business. Also, make sure that you're depositing money into your business bank accounts on a regular basis, every other week, every day, every month, because that's how you're going to generate a track record, or you're going to generate revenue on paper. Well, not revenue, but showing on paper how much your business is making. So your business might not even be making how much that you show them in the bank, but if you're somebody who got money and doing other things, you can go make deposits into that bank account, into the bank, and that's all that matters. So they make it seem like your business is making that amount of money. And a lot of people miss out on these opportunities because they be too thirsty. They be just trying to hurry up and get some money and do something, but they don't be having a game plan. They don't be having the resources. They don't be trying to figure out the information to actually do these type of things. A lot of people have no will for this type of money. People get money, they go blow it and still be broken, having bills and all type of stuff like that. The goal is to get money invested to start making passive income, so you can start taking care of life, your bills, buying the things that you want, because it's gonna, 100% that it's gonna come back because you invested. And whatever that you invested in is put you in a position to make passive income. And that's money that you're making while you're asleep. You don't got to do nothing. Every month on the 1st through the 5th or whatever, you get a lump sum of money because you invested into something. That's the way to live. And the more you invest, the more you'll be blessed. And a lot of people don't understand that. So, once you add those trade lines or once you build your business credit up, it's a place called Giggle Finance. All right, now Giggle Finance is instant funding up to $5,000. How it works is applying and receiving your Giggle cash is easy and simple, no fees to apply, and this will not affect your credit score. All right, so always understand that. Complete their simple application and securely verify your bank in minutes. Instant approval, review terms in just seconds. So simple application process, access funds in minutes, funding up to $5,000. No hidden fees, no credit requirements. Instant cash available, debit card or transfer, fully secure, flexible payment schedule. So like if you somebody who do Uber, Lyft, rideshare, TaskRabbit, Care.com, Fiverr, Upwork, Airbnb, event planning, home health aides, consultants and freelancers, tutors, Amazon, Ecstasy, Avon, any of these type of things, truckers, taxis, salons, beauty, lawn and pool care, bodega and food trucks, any of these type of people is a qualified for this loan. All these type of people plus more. Now, a lot of people be scared to actually get loans because they know for sure that they got to pay that money back and they don't really got nothing to do with this money. Like, they don't have nothing to invest in. They don't got no game plan. They don't have nothing. So they know, like, if I get this loan, I'm going to have to pay it back and I ain't got nothing to really invest in. So they be scared to get loans, which is perfectly fine. Loans, credit cards, and lines of credit isn't for everybody. Well, it really is because nobody is spending their own money when it comes to businesses. Everybody's getting rich off the bank's money. You get that money, you invest, and you become more blessed, and you leverage that money off credit cards and all that different type of stuff, and you keep investing because you're gonna die with bills. So make sure you want to die with the right bills and be able to go pass things on and continue the generational wealth. A lot of people aren't focused on that. A lot of people just want to live and have fun. They're not focused on their kids or their kids' kids or nothing like that. A lot of people are like that. A lot of women are like that. A lot of women are selfish. A lot of women are not focused on what's important. A lot of women are focused on their self, or they're not focused on what they can do to better their self or their kids' lives or their kids' lives. They're focused on what you're not doing for them. Why you didn't spend more time with me, or it goes both ways for men and women. But you just gotta understand and see what's going on in life, because a lot of people don't do that, and their mind frames and the way they think and the way they see things is just thinking everything is fake or a scam. And no, life is real, and it's the real things going on here. Like these methods y'all see everybody doing, real. When it comes to these cash app methods and all, they're real. It just depends on who you get them from. Just like aliens are real, just like a lot of things are real that people don't believe are real until they see it. And some things aren't meant to be seen. So Giggle Finance, that's gigglefinance.com, will give you up to $5,000 for any type of self-contractor or 1099 workers, self-employed workers. Go get the bag. Go get what you need to succeed, to win. Invest to be more blessed, and I promise you, you'll start a new journey in life. So with that being said, shout out to all my Real King Hustle fans, supporters, and subscribers out there, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping the sauce, and y'all motivate me to keep you entertained. So shout out to all of y'all. Anybody out there that's tired of being broke, because it ain't no joke, let's get to work. FaceTime 1-1 Limit Gems is $1,000, but for limited time only. I'm doing it for $350. Yes, $350. Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Whew. Man, once the $350 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, send me a screenshot, let me know you payment ready, and we will go from there, all right? No screenshot, no reply, no 21 questions, and please do not yo me. Also, make sure y'all tapping in and getting y'all in-person limited gems for $6,500. Make sure y'all getting y'all credit mentorships, hands-on, help you clean your personal credit, build your personal credit, establish your business credit, get loans, credit cards, lines of credit, etc., for $2,500 and up. I'm not paying for nobody trade lines. It costs, so make sure y'all tapping on that. Still looking for people. Make sure y'all subscribe to the Telegram's New Age Credit Repair and the Millionaire Network. Make sure y'all still look for people for the production company. Still look for rappers, singers, models, producers, cameramen, and women for the production company. We're going to do a lot of skits, blogs, movies, music videos, traveling, networking, having fun, and making money. Make sure you go tap into my reaction channel, King Hussle Crazy Reactions. We going up over there. We having fun. We laughing, and we figuring out new things. Make sure you go follow my blog channels, No Rags, Just Riches, King Hussle 2.0, Milwaukee Made, King Hussle Live. Make sure you go follow my horror story channel, Goosebumps Horror Stories. Make sure you go follow my clothing brand, Boostler Department on IG. Dropping new joggers real soon, apparel and kids apparel. Make sure you go follow my rain channel, Sleeping with the Rain. And make sure y'all just tap it in and stay informed and hit the all notification bell, because I promise you, all the gems that I drop is going to help you win. So you tired of being broke, because it ain't no joke. Make sure you tap it in, liking these videos, sharing these videos. Let's get us in the algorithm, push these videos, and so the people can know, and let's get rich together. It's your boy King Hussle. Y'all know I get down in these videos. I'll see you at the next lesson or video. Peace.